Good day guys! Today we will be unboxing one of the best-selling lights of Zen LEDs. Each day we will be unboxing best-selling lights of this year 2021. Please follow us here on Facebook so you can be notified for our new updates. This item has 5 light heads and has 108 watt light power. It has different light settings such as warm light, daylight, and cool white. Warm light feels natural and alluring to us in the evenings and promote relaxation. It also has options such as daylight and cool white for your best preference. Also, it has a dimmable function if you want to have a better sleep. You can adjust it to dim light using this remote control. See you on our next unboxing!